Caleb Peevler here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, standing in front of one of our fresh trades. This is a 2010 Contender 39, one-owner boat. Has been dry stack kept since purchased. One of our original customers here at the marina. If you're familiar with the Contender lineup, center consoles in general, or even just fishing boats, you're absolutely aware of the legacy that Contender has. This is a tournament style boat, no gingerbread, no forward seating. It is wide open and comfortable to fish, and you can fish a hot mess of people on a big 39. This 2010 has it's got close to 900 hours. It does have the Trip 350s on it, which if you're aware of the Yamaha, they have a lifetime warranty on the flywheels. This one specifically has had the flywheels replaced summer of last year, full engine services this year, and we've got a laundry list of service records that have been completed by here at our marina. 39 Contender, important boat for those that do want to get out and fish, that those that want to charter, or even those that just want to be serious and go hundreds of miles offshore and pull in some serious fish. We're going to step inside and see a closer look to layout, get an idea why this would be a great option to get into a boat pre-owned, and get a good look at it. So as we step into the transom of the boat, we can see that we've got tons of cockpit space to fish 4 to 6 people even here at the rear of the boat. Live wells across the transom, get a good look at those triple 350s. If you're familiar with the Yamaha lineup, those 350s are V8s, the 300s are V6s. You're gonna see a lot more torque, a lot more hole shot, and a more efficient cruising speed with these 350s. And a reminder that they are covered under a lifetime warranty with the flywheel issue, something that with average use is probably going to affect somebody every 3 years or so to get those flywheels and ECM serviced. We work our way through the boat. We're going to see, as we continue on the tone of the video, a plethora of space, not a lot of gingerbread, not a lot of seating, not a lot of frou-frou stuff, just a hardcore, good fishing tournament boat, easy to maintain, easy to use. Flip-up bench seat's been sat in storage. You can see that the vinyl's in excellent condition, but we've got in-floor fish boxes all the way up throughout the boat, and enough fish boxes in the bow of the boat that we'll get to here in a minute that you could probably store 5 or 6 bodies in it. Helm pad has Ray Marine electronics. We do have a new Ray Marine autopilot core pack to hold us on that spot and keep you a heading as far as you're going to go out and sit back, sit comfortable in this big aggressive boat. It's 39 feet long with about a 10.5-foot beam that you could sit in and get comfortable, sit back and roll. But enormous amount of rocket launchers and storage across the boat. Whether we're trolling on our way to go out and go bottom fish, we got plenty of room to keep all those rods throughout. You can see the condition of the vinyl, and it's a good inside kept boat. We can see that the boat in general was well maintained and appreciated by the owner. Always had a pretty good sized crew going with them, a young men that wanted to enjoy the boat and go out, and always forced them to do a pretty good job of cleaning. But we'll work our way up front, you know, between fishing 4 to 6 people in the rear. You could absolutely fit an enormous group of people out here at the back. I mean, the owner on this boat ran a 6 to 7 foot Yeti cooler with pad, almost like a coffin box style seating, used as a backup fish box. We talk about enormous storage. This box up here, I mean, is ridiculously large. I apologize, I'm tracking the boat up a little bit. We're gonna have to wash my feet, but you can get a good idea to see the condition of the boat. Smells fresh when we clean it. You can tell it was recently cleaned. But we got an enormous amount of space that if we're gonna ride out, fish, wear out some tournaments, and do it in the low $200,000 range, it's a heck of a lot less than some of these giant center consoles that are 35, 40, and 45 feet long that have 2 commas in the price range. This is a 2010 39 Contender, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. We've got a plethora of service records if you're interested in the boat. But check us out at MarineMax.com. We upload videos pretty consistently to our YouTube channel. You can check out the boat, check out walkthroughs on some of our new vessels, and once again, visit us online at MarineMax.com or our YouTube channel. My name's Caleb. It's MarineMax, Panama City Beach. You can call us at 850-830-1709. Thanks.